Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Good morning, Sakshi Singh, Prashant Patel. Good morning, Dancer of the Century. Yes, good morning, Zubi Parida. Good morning, Future Doctor 2021. Good morning, Shashi Maurya. Good morning, Manoj Rana. Good morning, Pragati Verma. Good morning, Vidya Patel. Good morning. Yes, Mohini Savarkar. Good morning, Numan Khan. Yes, I am fine. Amit Rana. Very good morning. Mohit Verma. Good morning. इसमें लगा इधर कर दो इसको. So let's start our discussion. Question number 100 first. Which one of the following is the incorrect statement? You have to tell incorrect statement. In endospermic seed, endosperm is formed. In non-endospermic seed, endosperm never formed. In endosperm is formed in both. Plumule is present in embryo. Yes, Zubi Parida. Correct answer is second. Correct. In non-endospermic seed, endosperm never formed. This is incorrect. क्योंकि चाहे वो एंडोस्पर्मिक सीड हो या नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक सीड हो, एंडोस्पर्म का फॉर्मेशन होगा. नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक में एम्ब्रियो डेवलपमेंट के दौरान ये कंज्यूम कर लिया जाएगा. तो नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक सीड. करेक्ट आंसर सेकंड. नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक सीड एग्जांपल्स आर पी, बीन, ग्राउंडनट. Yes, Zubi, correct. Solanaceae and Liliaceae. Solanaceae and Liliaceae. These are endospermic or non-endospermic. Solanaceae, Liliaceae. एंडोस्पर्मिक और नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक. कैसे हैं ये? सोलेनेसी एंड लिलिएसी, दीज आर एंडोस्पर्मिक और नॉन एंडोस्पर्मिक. यस, साक्षी सिंह, करेक्ट. एंडोस्पर्मिक, दीज आर एंडोस्पर्मिक. करेक्ट. Question number 101 was from page number 34-35. Now next question 102. Which one of the following is the incorrect match? Mutualism plus plus, competition minus minus, predation minus minus, parasitism plus minus. Yes, correct. This is minus minus, this is incorrect. Predation is also like parasitism. प्लस माइनस टाइप का इंट्रैक्शन होगा, एक का नुकसान दूसरे का फायदा. इन ब्रॉड इकोलॉजिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट, in broad ecological context, herbivores can be considered as, in broad ecological context, herbivores can be considered as, herbivores can be considered as, ये सही है आंसर आप लोगों का. In broad ecological context, herbivores can be considered as, yes, Sakshi Singh, very good. Predators. They are also predators. Very good. Very well read. Question number 103. How many matchings are correct? How many matchings are correct? Yes, correct. Correct. It's second. Zubi Parida, correct. Four matchings are correct. Yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Baker's yeast and Brewer's yeast, Penicillium, Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum will yield antibiotic. Yeast is unicellular fungi, not multicellular. This is incorrect. Mycorrhiza is symbiotic type of relationship, symbiosis. So four options are correct. Four matchings are correct. Only one is incorrect. So yeast can be considered as non-mycelial, non-mycelial, pseudomycelial और mycelial. किस तरह का फंगस है yeast? Yeast can be considered as non-mycelial, pseudomycelial और mycelial. किस टाइप का है ये? यस, दो ऑप्शन इसमें करेक्ट है, नॉन माइसीलियल एंड सूडोमाइसीलियल. सूडोमाइसीलियल भी बडिंग जब होगी तो इट विल फॉर्म सूडोमाइसीलियल. तो नॉन माइसीलियल एंड सूडोमाइसीलियल. माइसीलियल फंगस इज इनकरेक्ट. माइसीलियम में फॉर्म नहीं होगा. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज 1 and 2. Now we move to next question. If in a given habitat total numbers of animals are 2000, then how many number of insects are nearly present in that habitat? Number of insects will be yes, number of insects will be correct. Correct. More than 70%. So more than 70% is more than 1400. Second largest phylum is which is the second largest phylum of animal kingdom? Animal kingdom का second largest phylum. Very good Zubi, very good Akshay, Sakshi Singh, Amit Rana, Mohini. Yes, correct. Future Doctor 2021. Yes, Dangerous Khiladi, correct. It is mollusca. Correct. Question number 105. Which of the following statements are correct according to given diagram? This will show XO type of sex determination, XY type of sex determination. C, one have a pair of XX, while two have XY chromosome. 1 and 2 do not have same number of chromosomes. One have XY chromosome and two have a pair of XX chromosome. तो ये ड्रोसोफिला, फ्रूट फ्लाई. This is male and this is female. First is male, second is female. Female is larger than the male. Yes, Drosophila melanogaster, correct. 105 is B, correct. Second option, B and E, correct. तो एक्स वाई टाइप ऑफ सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन है और फर्स्ट मेल है जो कि एक्स वाई. मेल इज हेट्रोगेमिटी. मेल विल शो हेट्रोगेमिटी, हैव ए पेयर ऑफ से फीमेल होमोगेमिट्स का फॉर्मेशन होगा. करेक्ट, बी एंड ई. 1 and 2 do not have same number of chromosome. ये गलत है. They both have same number of chromosome. तो B and E is correct. इसके मायोसाइट में क्रोमोसोम नंबर कितना होगा? मायोसाइट विल हैव क्रोमोसोम नंबर इक्वल टू, यस, TH मॉर्गन ने स्टडी किया था. करेक्ट. यस, करेक्ट अक्षय, correct. 8. And it will complete its life cycle in complete its life cycle in, लाइफ साइकिल इसकी कितने ड्यूरेशन में कंप्लीट हो जाती है? यस, 2 वीक, करेक्ट, 2 वीक्स, 2 weeks it is completed. And which is known as Drosophila of plant kingdom? Which organism is known as Drosophila of plant kingdom? Which organism is known as Drosophila of plant kingdom? Yes, Sikta Ghosh, correct. Akshay, correct. Jayashri, correct. Sakshi Singh, correct. Roshan, correct. Yes, Neurospora, correct. Question number 106. Which of the following are correct amino acid sequence of beta chain of hemoglobin in an individual with sickle cell anemia? यहाँ पे सिकल सेल एनीमिया का सीक्वेंस पूछा गया है, तो 6th पोजीशन पे वहां पर वैलिन होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर सभी में 6th पोजीशन पे वैलिन शो किया गया है, तो हमें सीक्वेंस पता होना चाहिए। वैलिन, हिस्टिडीन, ल्यूसीन, थ्रियोनिन, प्रोलीन, वैलिन एंड ग्लूटामिक एसिड। यस, बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, करेक्ट। तो सिकल सेल एनीमिया पॉइंट म्यूटेशन का एग्जांपल है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन का एग्जांपल है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन में ट्रांसवर्जन का एग्जांपल है, और ये मिससेंस का एग्जांपल है, या नॉनसेंस म्यूटेशन का एग्जांपल है, या सेम सेंस का नॉनसेंस म्यूटेशन है, मिससेंस म्यूटेशन है, या सेम सेंस म्यूटेशन है? कौन सा म्यूटेशन है ये? मिससेंस, सेम सेंस और नॉनसेंस म्यूटेशन, कौन सा म्यूटेशन? यस, करेक्ट साक्षी सिंह। फ्यूचर डॉक्टर करेक्ट, जुबी करेक्ट, जयश्री करेक्ट, यस रोशन करेक्ट। यस, दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ मिससेंस म्यूटेशन, मीनिंग यहाँ पर चेंज हो गया है, ग्लूटामिक की जगह वैलिन, तो मिससेंस म्यूटेशन, ट्रांसवर्जन्स, सब्स्टिट्यूशन, पॉइंट म्यूटेशन, करेक्ट। Question number 107. What is the total number of chromosomes in microspore tetrad of maize plant? Microspore tetrad of maize plant. Total number of chromosomes in microspore tetrad of maize plant will be? Correct. Correct, Palak. Correct, Amit Rana. Neha, correct. It is 40. Maize plant में sporophyte 20, haploid हुआ 10, टोटल नंबर पूछा गया है टेट्राड में, तो 10 into 4, 40, correct. Question number 108. Which one of the following is odd? Synergid, nucellus, hilum, funicle. Odd. Yes, Sakshi correct. Shivang correct. Neha correct. Shushma correct. Yes, dangerous slurry correct. Synergid. This is haploid. Nucellus, hilum, funicle, these are all diploid. So synergid is odd. Correct. What is the 5 into 174? A type of virus, a type of infectious agent, a type of retrovirus, a type of single cell protein. Question number 109. Yes, correct. It is first. A and B. It is a type of virus, a type of infectious agent. It is not a type of retrovirus. इसका genetic material क्या है? Genetic material of 5 into 174 is genetic material of 5 into 174 is Yes, very good. Zubi correct. Universe, single stranded DNA, single stranded DNA एंड क्यूबी बैक्टीरियोफेज, क्यूबी बैक्टीरियोफेज का क्या है, क्यूबी बैक्टीरियोफेज का क्या है, क्यूबी बैक्टीरियोफेज इट इज क्यूबी बैक्टीरियोफेज, यस अक्षय करेक्ट, जुबी करेक्ट, सो शुभम करेक्ट, सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए करेक्ट, T2 बैक्टीरियोफेज इट इज T2 बैक्टीरियोफेज, T2 बैक्टीरियोफेज में क्या है, all given in your NCERT, T2 bacteriophase it is, yes, double stranded DNA correct Zubi, double stranded DNA correct, very good, very well read. Question number 110, RNA word is related with, RNA word, this is related with RNA word hypothesis, RNA word hypothesis, RNA word hypothesis क्या थी, RNA word hypothesis के अकॉर्डिंग पहला जो मॉलिक्यूल बना था जो अपने आप को रेप्लिकेट कर सके दैट वाज RNA, और इसमें प्रेजेंट थे इंट्रॉन्स, इंट्रॉन्स. Question number 111. How many characters are similar in among bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms? Characters similar in among bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperm and angiosperms. Yes, 111 is D. Correct, Anshi. Vaibhav, correct. It is fourth. One, only one option is correct. Embryo formation. सभी में embryo formation होगा. Embryophyta. Vascular tissue is absent in bryophyta. Independent sporophyte is absent in independent sporophyte. एब्सेंट इन किसमें इंडिपेंडेंट स्पोरोफाइट एब्सेंट है, यस ओनली एम्ब्रियो इज करेक्ट, यस करेक्ट, ब्रायोफाइटा में करेक्ट, डिपेंडेंट स्पोरोफाइट इन जिम्नोस्पर्म एंजियोस्पर्म and in pteridophytes also. Independent gametophyte absent in gymnoangio dependent gametophyte, so only one option is correct. Question number 112. Main arena of cellular activities in both the plant and animal cells. Main arena is nucleus, cytoplasm, Golgi bodies, mitochondria. Yes, correct. It is cytoplasm. Main arena of activities is cytoplasm. Glycolysis will take place in ग्लाइकोलिसिस कहां पर होगी, yes, Krebs cycle will take place in Krebs cycle will take place in yes, matrix of mitochondria, correct. Electron transport system, ETS will take place in outer membrane, inner membrane, intermembrane space. Yes, correct. Inner mitochondrial membrane. Correct. Question number 113. Which organelles are common in both prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cell? Prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cell. 70S ribosome, 80S ribosome, 70S, 80S, none. Which organelle are common in both prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic? Correct, very good. It is 70S ribosome. 70S ribosome में दो सब units 30S and 50S. 30S and 50S. Types of ribosomal RNA present in prokaryotes. Types of ribosomal RNA present in prokaryotic. राइबोसोमल आरएनए कौन कौन से प्रेजेंट होंगे? यस 23 यस करेक्ट नेहा. यस श्वेता करेक्ट 3 है. यस साक्षी सिंह करेक्ट वेरी गुड. 23 years 5 years एंड 16 years. और इसमें से 16 years प्रेजेंट होगा 30 में. बाकी जो 23 और 5 ये प्रेजेंट होगा 50 years में. करेक्ट. Question number 114. The best stage to view structure, size and to count the number of chromosome is. View structure, size and count the number. Best stage is metaphase, late prophase, telophase, interphase. The best stage to view structure, size. Correct. Correct. It is metaphase. Correct. Metaphase. Question number 115. Which of the following is the incorrect statement? RNA function as adapter, catalytic. DNA function as catalytic. RNA is the genetic material. DNA is the genetic material. Is the incorrect statement. Yes, correct. DNA function as catalytic. Only RNA function as catalytic apart from protein. RNA functioning as catalytic is ribozyme. 23 is ribosomal RNA in prokaryotes. 28 is ribosomal in eukaryotes. So second option is incorrect. RNA can act as structural, catalytic, adapter, and tRNA. 2D मॉडल में शेप कैसा होगा? 2D मॉडल एंड 3D मॉडल शेप विल बी. 2D मॉडल में शेप कैसा है और 3D मॉडल में शेप कैसा है इसका? यस tRNA इज एडाप्टर मॉलिक्यूल. करेक्ट. यस क्लोवर लीफ. करेक्ट क्लोवर लीफ. एंड 3D इज यस इन्वर्टेड एल. करेक्ट इन्वर्टेड एल. Correct. Inverted L. Question number 116. Which of the following is the incorrect match? Which of the following is incorrect match? Haplontic life cycle, zygotic meiosis, haplontic life cycle, zygotic mitosis, haplodiploidic, zygotic mitosis, diplontic life cycle, zygotic mitosis. Question number 116. Yes, correct. Very good. जाइगोटिक माइटोसिस दिया हुआ है. हैप्लॉन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल में जाइगोटिक मियोसिस होगी. जाइगोटिक मियोसिस एंड जाइगोटिक मियोसिस विल टेक प्लेस इन विच प्लांट ग्रुप? जाइगोटिक मियोसिस विल टेक प्लेस इन विच प्लांट ग्रुप? किस प्लांट ग्रुप में जाइगोटिक मियोसिस होती है? यस करेक्ट यूनिवर्स. एल्गी. करेक्ट. इट इज एल्गी. एल्गी में जाइगोटिक मियोसिस. Gametic meiosis will take place in gametic meiosis will take place in gametic meiosis will take place in yes Zubi correct. Universe correct. Neha correct. Sakshi correct. Moini correct. Anshi Maurya correct. Future Doctor 2021. Bharat. Shubham. Dangerous. Palak. गैमेटिक मियोसिस कहां पर होगी? अक्षय, इसमें और भी क्राइटेरिया है, डायग्राम भी होगा, साइंटिस्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे, डिजीजेस पर भी होगा। You will get 200 questions from NCERT 1 and NCERT 2. Gametic meiosis will take place in animals and Protista. Few members of Protista, they also show gametic meiosis. Gamete के formation के वक्त जब meiosis होगी तो that is gametic meiosis. Correct. Question number 117. Which one of the following is the correct match? Cilia spoke, flagella spoke, centrioles spoke. Fourth, all of these. Question number 117. Nehat, both online as well as offline. भारत, हमारा ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो, उस पर आप टेस्ट दे सकते हो। Yes, correct. It is all of these. Number of radial spokes present in cilia or flagella. Number of radial spokes. Number of radial spokes in cilia or flagella is कोरोना पे जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, अभी इसके बाद जो सेशन होगा डिजीज का, उसमें आई विल डिस्कस। ऑफलाइन टेस्ट हो तो रहे। यस, करेक्ट। इट इज 9 रेडियल स्पोक्स। सीलिया एंड फ्लैजिला में 9+2 और सेंट्रियोल में इट इज 9+0। यहां पर क्या है, पेरिफेरल डबलेट या ट्रिपलेट? और यहां पर क्या है? सीलिया और फ्लैजिला में पेरिफेरल डबलेट और पेरिफेरल ट्रिपलेट। यस, सीलिया में पेरिफेरल डबलेट, सेंट्रियोल में इट इज पेरिफेरल ट्रिपलेट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 118. Which one of the following is the incorrect match? Synapses, synaptonemal complex, chiasmata, C-shaped structures, anaphase 1, homologous chromosome separate, anaphase 2, splitting of centromere. Synaptonemal complex, C-shaped structure, homologous chromosome separate, splitting of centromere. हल्का सा गर्म। Yes, correct. Chiasmata is X-shaped structure. Correct. Terminalization will take place in. Terminalization of chiasmata will take place in. Terminalization will take place in. Yes, Pawan Rawat, correct. Manoj Rana, correct. Roshan, correct. Terminalization, yes, it is dikinesis. Correct. Dikinesis. Question number 119. How many matchings are correct with reference to RQ, respiratory quotient? Glucose, it is 1. Tripalmitin, it is 1.7. Malic acid, more than 1. Alcoholic fermentation, it is infinite. Yes, correct. Correct. Sakshi Singh, correct. Palak, correct. 3 matchings are correct. Incorrect is tripalmitin. Tripalmitin में कितना होगा? Respiratory quotient in tripalmitin is yes, 0.7. Very good. 0.7. And its succulents, इन सक्यूलेंट्स आर रेस्पिरेटरी कोशेंट इज, सक्यूलेंट्स में रेस्पिरेटरी कोशेंट कितना होगा? RQ is in succulents respiratory quotient ये yes it is 0, very good, it is 0. ये respiration in plants वाले चैप्टर में है नया. Which one of the following is the correct statement? करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कौन सा है? सीजियम क्लोराइड इज यूज्ड इन मेसेल्सन एंड स्टाल एक्सपेरिमेंट, अमोनियम क्लोराइड इज यूज्ड इन ग्रिफिथ एक्सपेरिमेंट, अमोनियम क्लोराइड यूज्ड इन हर्श एंड चेज एक्सपेरिमेंट, रेडियो आइसोटोप यूज्ड इन ग्रिफिथ एक्सपेरिमेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 120. यस करेक्ट, इट इज फर्स्ट. सीजियम क्लोराइड इज यूज्ड इन मेसेल्सन एंड स्टाल एक्सपेरिमेंट. और मेसेल्सन एंड स्टाल ने क्या बताया था? मेसेल्सन एंड स्टाल दे told us about Meselson and Stahl. Yes, semi-conservative DNA replication. Correct. Correct. और इन्होंने अमोनियम क्लोराइड का यूज किया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 121. Which one of the following is the correct match? Question number 121. Endemism is hot spot. Aravali Hills of Rajasthan, Sacred Groves, Cryopreservation, Gamete Bank, and Word Summit, Johannesburg. Endemism is hot spot. Aravali Hills of Rajasthan, Sacred Groves, Cryopreservation, Gamete Bank, Word Summit, Johannesburg. Hot spot are also regions of accelerated hot spot are also regions of accelerated habitat loss. Habitat loss. Habitat loss. Khashi and Janshia Hills. खासी एंड जेंशिया हिल्स, ये कहां पर है? खासी एंड जेंशिया हिल्स, यस मेघालय, करेक्ट यूनिवर्स. Question number 122. Planaria shows false regeneration, true regeneration, asexual reproduction, both 2 and 3. Yes. सारे ऑप्शंस पढ़ो जुबी. शिवांक. Yes. Pawan Rawat is correct. Universe is correct. Dangerous Khiladi correct. Travel with Fahad correct. Roshan correct. It is both 2 and 3. True regeneration is a means of asexual reproduction. पूरे का पूरा ऑर्गेनिज्म बनेगा. और ट्रू रिजेनरेशन के लिए टर्म क्या यूज करते हैं? टर्म यूज्ड इज एपीमॉर्फोसिस और मॉर्फल एक्सिस. कौन सा? एपीमॉर्फोसिस और मॉर्फल एक्सिस. विच टर्म इज यूज्ड? Is it epimorphosis or morphal axis? Yes, Atul. Correct. Atul correct. Bharat correct. Roshan correct. Yes, it is morphal axis. Correct. Epimorphosis is formation of lost body part. Tail का अगर formation होगा तो that is epimorphosis. Question number 123. Which of the following is a bacterial disease? White rust of crucifer, early blight of potato, citrus canker, black rust of wheat. Which is a bacterial disease? Bacterial disease कौन सी है? Yes, correct. Citrus canker and causative agent is, and its causative agent is, citrus canker is caused by, citrus canker is caused by, yes, Xanthomonas citri. Correct. Bharat. Very good. Universe correct. Yes, Xanthomonas citri. This is caused by Xanthomonas citri. Fungal cell wall is composed of chitin and polysaccharide, cellulose and polysaccharide, non-cellulosic. Fungal cell wall is made up of, question number 124. Yes, correct. It is non-cellulosic and chitin and polysaccharide. Correct. Both 1 and 3. And chitin is a homopolymer of, chitin is homopolymer of, this is homopolymer of, किसका homopolymer है ये? Yes, NAR, N-acetyl glucosamine. Correct. Question number 125. Which one of the following statements are incorrect with reference to plant hormones? Incorrect with reference to plant hormone. Decapitation widely applied in tea plantation. 2,4-D used as herbicide. Auxin also controls xylem differentiation. 2,4-D is a type of gibberellin. Yes, correct. Correct. It is fourth. 2,4-D is not a type of gibberellin. 2,4-D, is it natural auxin or synthetic auxin? नेचुरल ऑक्सिन का एग्जाम्पल है या सिंथेटिक ऑक्सिन का? विच टाइप ऑफ ऑक्सिन इज, यस सिंथेटिक. करेक्ट. एंड यूज्ड एज हर्बिसाइड. ये डाइकोटिलिडनस वीड्स के लिए है या मोनोकोटिलिडनस वीड्स? डाइकोटिलिडनस वीड्स और मोनोकोटिलिडनस वीड? Is it dicotyledonous weed or monocot? Yes, very good. Yes, it is dicotyledonous weed. Correct. Auxin word is derived from Greek word or Latin word? Auxin word is derived from auxine, and this is Greek or Latin? ये Greek word है या Latin word है? Auxin is derived from auxine. This is it Greek or Latin? Yes, Greek word. Very good. Question number 126. Photochemical phase does not include light absorption, water splitting and oxygen release, ATP and NADPH formation, carbon dioxide fixation. Photochemical phase does not include light absorption, water splitting and oxygen release, ATP and NADPH formation. Yes, correct. Carbon dioxide fixation. Correct. Carbon dioxide fixation will not take place. In C3, Calvin cycle, first stable product is, and the cell in which formation will take place. Yes, correct. Phosphoglyceric acid and the cell in which, yes, mesophyll. Correct. Phosphoglyceric acid and mesophyll. Correct. In C4 cycle, first stable product is, and the cell in which C4 cycle will take place. Yes, oxaloacetic acid, correct. Oxaloacetic acid, and the cell in which this formation will take place. Yes, mesophyll cell. Mesophyll. बंडल शीथ सेल में क्या होगा? बंडल शीथ सेल में तो C3 साइकिल। बंडल शीथ में क्या होगा? कैल्विन साइकिल। कैल्विन साइकिल होगी वहां पे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 127, द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द लाइट रिएक्शन इज। करेक्ट सीक्वेंस इज, यस इट इज फर्स्ट, करेक्ट। फोटोसिस्टम टू, फोटोसिस्टम टू से, फोटोसिस्टम टू में प्राइमरी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर क्या होगा? फोटोसिस्टम टू का प्राइमरी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर क्या है? प्राइमरी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर इज, यस आंसर सही है आप सभी का। यस, फियोफाइटिन, वेरी गुड पवन रावत। फियोफाइटिन, फियोफाइटिन इज द प्राइमरी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर। फियोफाइटिन के बाद ये पहुंचेगा प्लास्टोक्विनोन। प्लास्टोक्विनोन से साइटोक्रोम B6F, और साइटोक्रोम B6F से फोटोसिस्टम 1 के बीच में कौन कनेक्ट करेगा? साइटोक्रोम B6F और फोटोसिस्टम 1 के बीच में कौन सा होगा? विच मॉलिक्यूल? Yes, plastocyanin. Very good. It is plastocyanin. Plastocyanin. Correct. Question number 128. Respiratory quotient depends upon type of substrate used during respiration, amount of substrate used during respiration, state of substrate used during respiration. Fourth, none of these. Respiratory quotient depends upon, yes, right, type of substrate. Correct. Question number 129. Male and female gametophyte do not have an independent free living existence in. Male and female gametophyte do not have an independent free living existence in. One 129. Yes, right. It is 3. Pinus, Cycas, Cedrus, Sequoia. These are gymnosperms. Gymnosperm में no independent gametophyte. So in angiosperm, angiosperm में भी नहीं होंगे। तो 4 एग्जाम्पल दिए हुए जिम्नोस्पर्म के। टेरेस जो है ये टेरिडोफाइट है, फ्यूनेरिया, रिक्सिया, मार्केंशिया, पॉलीट्राइकम, ऑल आर ब्रायोफाइट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 130. हाउ मेनी प्लांट्स अमंग इंडिगोफेरा, सेसबेनिया, साल्विया, एलियम, एलोए, मस्टर्ड, ग्राउंडनट and gram have stamens with different lengths? Yes, Sakshi Singh, correct. Pawan Rawat, correct. It is only 2. कौन से? Salvia and mustard. Correct. Tetradynamous condition is present in. Tetradynamous condition is present in. Tetradynamous condition किसमें present है? Tetradynamous condition is present in. Yes, Bharat, correct. Mustard, correct. Sakshi Singh, correct. Roshan Yadav, correct. Manoj Rana, correct. Yes, it is mustard. Tetradynamous condition in mustard. And didynamous condition? Didynamous condition. Tetradynamous में 4 लंबे 2 छोटे, डायडायनेमस में 2 लंबे 2 छोटे। 2 plus 2. Yes, salvia, correct. Salvia, correct. और आउटर वाला लंबा होगा या इनर वाला? तो इनर 4 इज लॉन्ग। इनर सर्कल में जो होंगे वो लंबे होंगे, और आउटर सर्कल में जो होंगे वो छोटे होंगे हाइट में। सैल्विया, दिस बिलोंग्स टू फैमिली लेमिएसी। सैल्विया की फैमिली है लेमिएसी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 131, how many kinds of genotypes will be produced by a plant having the genotype capital A, capital A, capital B, small small c, capital D, capital E, capital E? Genotypes, 3 raised to power n. N is heterozygous alleles. Yes, 131st is D. Yes, it is D. Only 3, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक ही तो हेट्रोजाइगस एलील है, पेयर ऑफ हेट्रोजाइगस एलील, ओनली वन, so 3 raised to power 1 equal to 3. Question number 132, which of the following is considered as population? Rats in abandoned dwelling, bacteria in a culture plate, trees in a forest tract, all of these. Yes, it is D, correct. All of these. Question number 133. Colorado National Park is famous for black buck, birds coming from Siberia, rhinoceros, tiger. Yes, correct. Birds from Siberia. And Colorado National Park is in, कहाँ पर है ये? Yes, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Correct, Zubi. Migratory birds. Yes, black buck is famous for Salman Khan. Correct. Question number 134. Microbes used to control butterfly caterpillars is. Microbes used to control butterfly caterpillars is E. coli, Salmonella typhi, Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus cereus. Yes, BT, correct. Bacillus thuringiensis. Correct. Question number 135. What change occurs in body to overcome altitude sickness? Altitude sickness को overcome करने के लिए increased RBC production, decreased hemoglobin binding affinity, increased breathing rate. All of these. Yes, correct. All of these. So decreased hemoglobin affinity, oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, this will shift towards right or left. अगर हीमोग्लोबिन की बाइंडिंग एफिनिटी कम हो जाएगी तो ये किधर की तरफ शिफ्ट करेगा, राइट की साइड में या लेफ्ट की साइड में? राइट और लेफ्ट, विच साइड इट विल शिफ्ट, राइट साइड और लेफ्ट साइड? यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, इट इज राइट साइड. Question number 136. Which one of the following are correct match? Pistillate flower, unisexual, anthrozoid type of gamete, homothallic, bisexual, myocytes, gamete mother cell. Question number 136. Yes, third. Correct. Matching is given right in front. Pistillate, unisexual, anthrozoid, homothallic. What is staminate and staminode? Staminate and staminode. Staminate and staminode. Male flower is unisexual, male flower is staminate. Correct. This is unisexual male flower. And what is staminode? Staminode is Yes, Jutin, correct. Staminode is sterile stamen, correct. Question number 137. In a cut trunk of a tree, the section was showing 26 concentric rings of springwood and 26 concentric rings of autumn wood, alternating layers. The age of the tree is estimated to be 13 years, 26 years, 52 years, 104 years. कितनी होगी एज springwood and autumn wood? 26 each. Yes, correct. 26 years. One one autumn wood, one spring wood constitute the one year. Correct. Pusa Gaurav and Pusa Swarnim are respectively variety of Brassica, Brassica and Okra, cowpea and Brassica, Brassica and cauliflower. Yes, correct. It is Brassica. Brassica की variety है. Pusa Swarnim, also known as Pusa Swarnim, also known as, दूसरा नाम क्या है इस वैरायटी का? Another name, yes, Karan Dry. Very good, Pawan Rawat. Karan Dry. Karan Dry. And this is resistance to, it will show resistance to, this will show resistance to नेहा, बस इसके इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स देख लेना. यस, वाइट रस्ट, करेक्ट. करेक्ट, रेजिस्टेंस टू वाइट रस्ट, करेक्ट. And Pusa Gaurav will show resistant to aphids. Question number 139. Rise in temperature is leading to deleterious change in the environment and result in odd climatic change such as ozone depletion, greenhouse effect, waterlogging, El Nino effect. Question number 139. Yes, it is D. El Nino effect. Correct. Question number 140. In addition, along with the transpiration stream, the nodules of some plants export fixed nitrogen as ureides. These compounds also have a particularly high sulfur to carbon ratio, high carbon to nitrogen ratio, high nitrogen to carbon ratio. Question number 140. Yes, Sakshi Singh, correct. High nitrogen to carbon ratio ureides will carry. और इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या दिया हुआ है आपके एनसीईआरटी में? कौन सा प्लांट दिया हुआ है? एग्जाम्पल क्या है इसका? कौन सा प्लांट दिया हुआ है? यस, रोशन, वेरी गुड. साक्षी, वेरी गुड. पवन, वेरी गुड. यस, इट इज सोयाबीन. वेरी गुड. Question number 141. Which one of the following statements are incorrect? Incorrect statement. Outer thin layer of pollen grain is made up of cellulose and pectin. Inner layer of pollen is called sporopollenin. Pollen grains are rich in nutrients and their tablets are used as food supplements. Pollen consumption is claimed to increase performance of athletes and racehorse. Incorrect statement is yes, correct. Fourth, A and B. Outer thin layer of pollen grain is made up of sporopollenin, not cellulose and pectin, and inner layer is made up of cellulose and pectin. So A and B are incorrect. Question number 142. Characteristic feature of gymnosperm is or are mycorrhiza found in Pinus, monoecious plant is Pinus, xerophatic characters found in the leaves, haploid endosperm. Question number 142. Yes, correct. All of these are correct. Correct. Haploid endosperm. This is pre-fertilization structure in gymnosperm. Pre-fertilization, and this is also known as endosperm in gymnosperm is also known as yes, yes, female gametophyte. Correct, Abrar Khan. This is female gametophyte. Correct. Question number 143. Which of the following is correct for the given diagram? A. Synthetic phase. C. Most dramatic phase. B. Gap 1. D. DNA synthesis. कैंसिल है लिखा तो है, देखो उसमें. Mamta Kumar, very good evening, very good morning. Yes, it is G1 S G2. A is G1 S, then G2. So C is most dramatic phase. Mitotic. अरे इसमें मैसेज देखो. Yes, B option is correct. Question number 144. Human Genome Project was launched in year. Pramod, very good morning. Human Genome Project was launched in the year. Yes, 1990. Correct. 1990 and completed in the year. This was completed in the year. Complete कब हुआ था ये? Yes, 2003. 3. क्रोमोसोम नंबर 1 का सीक्वेंसिंग कब हुआ था? क्रोमोसोम नंबर 1 का सीक्वेंसिंग कब कंप्लीट हुआ है? यस, पलक करेक्ट. 2006. करेक्ट. क्रोमोसोम नंबर 1 में नंबर ऑफ जीन्स कितनी है? क्रोमोसोम नंबर 1 में नंबर ऑफ जीन्स कितनी है? Number of genes present in chromosome number 1 is yes, 2968. Correct. And chromosome number Y will have yes, 231. Correct. 231. Question number 145. How many genotype and phenotype possible in human blood groups respectively? Genotype and phenotype. Question number 145. Yes, correct. It is D. Genotypes are 6, phenotype 4, A, B, AB, and O. So blood group is example of dominance, codominance, multiple allelism, multiple allelism. Question number 146. Which of the following cells do not have DNA? Cells which do not have DNA: mature erythrocytes, sieve tube cells, both 1 and 2, fourth none. गलत, गलत। ई न्यूक्लिएशन दोनों में होगा, मैच्योर इरिथ्रोसाइट एंड सीव ट्यूब सेल्स, लेकिन सीव ट्यूब सेल्स में बाकी सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स प्रेजेंट होंगे, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होगा, यहाँ पे सारे ऑर्गेनेल्स एब्सेंट होंगे, तो डीएनए यहाँ पर नहीं है, लेकिन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया का डीएनए प्रेजेंट होगा सीव ट्यूब सेल्स में, इसलिए डू नॉट हैव डीएनए, ओनली मैच्योर एरिथ्रोसाइट, ओनली फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। Question number 147. Which one of the following is incorrect statement? Rubisco present in C3, peptase present in C4 plant, Rubisco present in both C3 and C4, oxaloacetic acid compound formed in a pathway called photorespiration. Question number 147. Incorrect statement is yes, correct. It is fourth. Oxaloacetic acid is not formed in photorespiration. Cell organelles participating in photorespiration are cell organelles participating in photorespiration are the cell organelles which will participate in photorespiration. Yes, chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria. Very good. Chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria. And percentage of carbon dioxide loss, percentage of fixed carbon lost in photorespiration. फोटोरेस्पिरेशन में परसेंटेज ऑफ फिक्स कार्बन लॉस, कितना कार्बन लॉस होता है? यस, 25%, करेक्ट। 25% of fixed carbon dioxide is lost. Question number 148. All of the following process can release carbon dioxide except alcoholic fermentation, oxidative decarboxylation and Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation, conversion of alpha ketoglutric acid to succinic acid. Question number 148. Yes, correct. Oxidative phosphorylation, this will take place in mitochondria. No release of carbon dioxide will take place. Alpha ketoglutric acid, इसमें दोनों तरफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज होगी, इसके बनने में भी और इसके बाद भी। सक्सेनिल कोएंजाइम ए। Question number 149. According to available records, animal species are around. Available records, animal species are around 22%, 50%, more than 70%, 45%. Yes, correct. Correct. 70%, more than 70%. Question number 150. Ladybird are used to get rid of bacteria, fungi, aphids, all of these. This is a means of biological control. Question number 150. Yes, correct. Aphids. Dragonflies used to control. Dragonflies used to control. Dragonflies used to control. Yes, mosquitoes. Correct. So these are biological control methods. Question number 151. Which of the following is the incorrect match? Ethidium bromide, staining, gel electrophoresis, annealing, cloning vector, bacteriophage, PBr 322, artificial plasmid. Question number 151. Yes, it is second. Annealing, gel electrophoresis. Annealing, denaturation, annealing and extension. These are all steps of PCR. Yes, PCR में होगा, correct. Bacteriophage as vector. Examples are, example of bacteriophage as vector. Example of bacteriophage as vector is yes, very good. Lambda phase, correct. Komal Sarod, Bharat, correct. Priyansh, correct. Lambda phase, correct. Lambda phase, yeah, M13 phase. These two are examples of bacteriophage as vector. Question number 152. Which one of the following is correct match? BT, bacteriophage, armyworm, annelida, tobacco budworm, platyhelminthes, RNA interference, tobacco plants. Question number 152. Yes, correct. RNA interference, tobacco plants, Meloidigine incognitia. This will affect the tobacco plants, roots of tobacco plants. BT, Bacillus thuringiensis, not bacteriophage. And armyworm, this is insect. Tobacco budworm, insect, not annelida and platyhelminthes. Yes, correct. Question number 153. Which is the wrong statement? Endocrine glands have well-developed ducts. Goblet cells are exocrine glands. Digestive enzymes are the endocrine secretion. Cuboidal और columnar epithelium act as gland. Wrong statement पूछा गया है. Question number 153. Yes, Raghuvanshi, correct. Double-stranded RNA for RNA interference. 153. Yes, it is third. A and C. Correct. These are wrong. Endocrine glands have without ducts. These are without ducts. And C. Digestive enzymes are not endocrine secretion. These are exocrine. Goblet cells are exocrine glands. Cuboidal or columnar epithelium, these act as gland. Correct. Glandular columnar brush bordered epithelium कहाँ पर present होगी? Glandular columnar brush bordered epithelium is present. Glandular columnar brush bordered epithelium. Glandular columnar. Yes, intestine. Correct. Intestine. इंटेस्टाइन में होगा ग्लैंडुलर कॉलमनर ब्रश बॉर्डर. और ग्लैंडुलर कॉलमनर कहां पर है? ग्लैंडुलर कॉलमनर, ओनली ग्लैंडुलर कॉलमनर एपिथेलियम present in glandular columnar is present in yes, stomach, large intestine, stomach, large intestine, glandular columnar, and cuboidal brush bordered epithelium. Cuboidal brush bordered epithelium. Cuboidal brush bordered कहाँ पर है? Cuboidal brush bordered epithelium. Yes, this is present in PCT. Correct. Question number 154. Which one of the following are not related with ovum? Not related with ovum. Zona pellucida, corona radiata, perivitelline space, acrosome. Yes, acrosome. Correct. Acrosome is cap-like structure formed by which organelle will help in its formation? Yes, Golgi body. Correct. Golgi body. Question number 155. Which one of the following is the incorrect statement? Incorrect statement कौन सा है? Most parasite who harm the host by living inside them are pathogens. Pathogens result in morphological and functional damage to host. Pathogens need not to adapt to life within environment of host. Bacteria, virus, and fungi are also pathogens. Yes, they need to adapt to life. Correct. Neoplastic cells form normal tissues, malignant tumors, normal cells, none of these. Question number 156. Yes, malignant tumors. Question number 157. The primers used during annealing step of PCR are polypeptides, a type of nucleic acid, large RNA molecule, small tRNA molecule. Question number 157. Yes, correct. It is a type of nucleic acid, a small chain oligonucleotides formed by which enzyme? Oligonucleotides formed by which enzyme? एंजाइम कौन सा इसके फॉर्मेशन में होगा? आरएनए पॉलीमरेज, डीएनए पॉलीमरेज. एंजाइम यूज्ड इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑलिगोन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स, आरएनए पॉलीमरेज और डीएनए पॉलीमरेज. Yes, RNA polymerase, correct. Primase, RNA polymerase. Question number 158. How many high energy bonds are present in ADP and ATP respectively? Adenosine diphosphate, adenosine triphosphate. High energy bonds present in. Yes, it is A, correct. Adenosine diphosphate, only one high energy bond. एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट में दो हाई एनर्जी बॉन्ड, तीसरा जो होगा वो नॉर्मल होगा. यहाँ पर जो दूसरा है वो नॉर्मल है. यस, तो 1 and 2, करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 159. व्हाट इज ब्लास्टोमियर्स? न्यूली फॉर्म्ड डॉटर सेल्स, न्यूली फॉर्म्ड फ्लावर, ए टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरियल सेल, ए टाइप ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. Blastomeres are formed during cleavage. Yes, Kuldeep. Very good morning. Yes, correct. Newly formed daughter cells. जाइगोट में जब अर्ली क्लीवेज शुरू होगी तो जाइगोट विल अंडरगो क्लीवेज, देन दिस विल फॉर्म मारुला. मारुला में कितने ब्लास्टोमियर्स प्रेजेंट होंगे? मारुला इज सॉलिड मलबेरी शेप and number of blastomeres in marula is then blastula या blastocyst. And then last is gastrula. Yes, 8 to 16 blastomeres, correct. 8 to 16 blastomeres. Question number 160. Basmati rice is distinct for its unique aroma, flavor, high fat content, both 1 and 2. Yes, correct. Aroma and flavor. Question number 161. How many matchings are correct match? Eyelids separate 5th month, inner cell mass, group of dead cells, parturition, neuroendocrine mechanism, colostrum, seminal plasma. Yes, correct, Zubi. Universe, correct. Only one is correct. Colostrum is not seminal plasma, initial milk. Parturition, this is complex neuroendocrine mechanism. Inner cell mass, this is future embryo. Eyelids separate 6 months. So only one is correct. Question number 162. Which one of the following is the correct match? Non-infectious disease, Graves disease, infectious disease, malignant tumor, infectious disease, benign tumor, non-infectious disease, ringworm. So ringworm is infectious and benign tumor is non-infectious. I mean, ये भी non-infectious. Graves disease is non-infectious. So first option is correct. Yes. Question number 163. Which one of the following is the incorrect match? Clinical trials, downstream processing, purification, downstream processing, translation, downstream processing, bioreactor, agitator system. Which one of the following is the incorrect match? Yes, third. Correct. Translation is not downstream processing. Question number 164. How many matchings are correct? Rosy cow, extinct animal, vaccine safety, transgenic mice, gene therapy, bone marrow transplantation, gene therapy, enzyme replacement therapy. Yes, correct, universe. Actually, it is upstream process. Yes, correct. Rosy cow is transgenic. Question number 165. Which is the correct for the given below diagram of animal? So this is male ascaris or female ascaris? Is it male ascaris or female? ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक होगा, यूनिसेक्सुअल होगा, pseudocoelomate, all of these. Yes, female ascaris, correct, correct. Female is longer, male is curved tail. Take. So this is female ascaris. Question number 166. How many statements are not correct about amphibia? Not correct about amphibia. Body is divisible into head, neck, trunk. All member contains tail. Tympanum represent eye. Skin, scales are occurs. The head and trunk में है. All members do not contain tail. Tympanum represents ear, not eye. In scale, skin, scales are absent. Yes, it is first. How many statements are not correct? All are not, all are incorrect. All are incorrect. Question number 167. The similar features are found in all birds and mammals. Birds और mammals का similar feature क्या है? Homeothermous, endothermic, warm-blooded, muscular diaphragm, oviparous, toothless jaws. The muscular diaphragm is absent. Oviparous and viviparous. Mammals are only very few mammals are oviparous, toothless jaws. Present in bird, absent in mammals. Only homeothermous, warm-blooded. Question number 168. Vital capacity of lungs is. Vital capacity जो maximum inhalation के बाद जो maximum exhale किया जाएगा, that is vital. तो vital capacity is equal to. Question number 168. Yes, it is D. Correct. TV plus IRV plus ERV. Question number 169. Long exposure of dust in industry results in lung inflammation, fibrosis, lung damage, all of these. Long exposure of dust in industry results in. Yes, correct. Correct. Question number 170. Artificial insemination means transfer of sperms of husband to a test tube, artificial introduction of sperms of a healthy donor into the vagina, introduction of sperms. Question number 170. Yes, it is B. Correct. Artificial introduction of sperms into vagina, or this may also takes place in uterus or vagina. इंट्रायूट्राइन इंसेमिनेशन या इंट्रावेजाइनल इंसेमिनेशन दोनों होगा. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पार्ट इज रिमूव्ड इन वैसेक्टोमी? एपिडिडाइमिस, वास डिफरेंस, रेटिटेस्टिस, एजैकुलेटरी डक्ट. In vasectomy, vas deferens is cut, tied, and ligated. Yes, correct. It is B. Question number 172. Which one of the following are correct? Malpighian body is equal to glomerulus plus PCT. Renal corpuscles, glomerulus plus Bowman's capsule. Malpighian body, glomerulus plus Bowman's capsule. So renal corpuscle or Malpighian body is equal to glomerulus plus Bowman's capsule. Yes, it is first. B and C. Glomerulus or Bowman's capsule, combinedly known as renal corpuscle or Malpighian body. Malpighian tubules present in Malpighian tubules are present in Malpighian tubules are present in. Yes, Bharat, correct. Cockroaches. Question number 173. The autonomic nervous system is further classified into sympathetic and somatic neural system, parasympathetic and somatic, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Question number 173. Yes, it is third. Correct, Zubi. Sympathetic and parasympathetic neural system. Question number 174. The presence of ketone bodies in urine is the indication of renal calculi, glomerulonephritis, diabetes mellitus, normal functioning of kidney. Presence of ketone bodies. Yes, diabetes mellitus. Correct. Glycosuria, diabetes mellitus. Identify this diagram. A type of vitamin, cholesterol, morphine, cannabinoids. Question number 175. Yes. Yes, Palak, it is correct. It is cholesterol. Type of lipid. What is the full form of NAD? Niacinamide dinucleotide, niacinamide dinucleoside, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Yes, correct. C. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, niacin. Question number 177. The number of glycerol molecule which is present in mono, di, and triglyceride. So glycerol is chemically known as, this is chemically known as, glycerol is chemically known as Glycerol is chemically known as, yes, trihydroxypropane. 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 The number will be 1. Yes, correct. चाहे monoglyceride हो, diglyceride हो या triglyceride. Correct. Question number 178. In the given below diagram of brain, which part contains pneumotaxic center? Yes, correct. It is pons. Correct. Correct. Pons will carry pneumotaxic center. And what is this B? Characteristic of mammalian brain. Characteristic of mammalian brain. Yes, corpus callosum. Correct. This is corpus callosum. Question number 179. Sliding filament theory can be best explained as. Yes, correct. It will not shorten, only sliding is there. Correct. 180. Which hormone is a steroid hormone? Cortisol, estradiol, progesterone, all of these. Which hormone is a steroid hormone? Yes, correct. All of these. Steroid gland is adrenal cortex and gonads. Question number 181. Androgens influence the catabolic effects on protein metabolism, catabolic effects on carbohydrate formation of oogonia, libido. Question number 181. Yes, correct. Responsible for libido. Androgens also influence low pitch wise या high pitch wise. Responsible for low pitch or high pitch. Low pitch wise or high pitch wise. Yes, correct. Low pitch. Question number 182. Which is a wrong statement regarding adrenal cortex? Epinephrine stimulates sympathetic nervous system. Cortisol is a hypoglycemic hormone. Cortisol is a glucocorticoid. Cortisol suppresses the immune response. Question number 182. Yes, correct. Very good. Universe, correct. Palak, correct. Zubi, correct. A and B. Epinephrine is not related with adrenal cortex. Adrenal medulla से आएगा. Cortisol is a hyperglycemic hormone, not hypoglycemic hormone. C and D is correct. Question number 183. Which blood group is universal donor? Which blood group is universal donor? Yes, correct. Is it O positive or O negative? Is it O positive or O negative? O positive or O negative? Universe diabetes is multifactorial disease. No single cause is established. Yes, it is negative. Very good. And universal recipient is AB positive or AB negative? AB positive और AB negative कौन सा होगा? Recipient is, yes, very good. It is AB positive. AB पॉजिटिव को कोई सा भी ब्लड चढ़ाया जाए, RH पॉजिटिव हो, RH नेगेटिव हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, इसलिए AB पॉजिटिव. Which leukocytes are 20 to 25% of total WBC? Basophil, eosinophil, monocyte, lymphocyte. यूनिवर्स, तुमको इतना टेंशन किस बात का हो गया भाई? Yes, correct. 184 is correct. Correct. Question number 185. What would be the stroke volume of a person if the cardiac output is increased to 7.2 liter, but heart of person beats normally as it is initially? So cardiac output is equal to stroke volume into heart rate. Cardiac output is equal to stroke volume into heart rate. ओके यूनिवर्स, वही मैं कहूँ तुमको इतना टेंशन किस बात का हो गया? कार्डियक आउटपुट स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम इनटू हार्ट रेट. करेक्ट. तो कार्डियक आउटपुट कितना है? इंक्रीज टू 7.2 लीटर 1000 ml. स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम पूछा गया, हार्ट रेट कितना? नॉर्मली 72. So it is 100 ml, around 100 ml. One 186. Which one of the following carbohydrate does not give glucose as a product after digestion through enzymes? Correct, Ravi Prakash. Moini, correct. Kuldeep, correct. Komal Sarot, correct. Yes, it is fourth. Correct. They all will give. Sucrose will yield glucose and fructose, lactose, glucose and galactose, and maltose will yield two molecules of glucose. Which one of the following is the incorrect? Ribs 24, sternum 1, patella 4 limb bone, appendicular skeleton limbs. Yes, correct, Anshuman. It is third. 4 limb bone. This is incorrect. It is hind limb, and patella is a which type of bone? कौन सी बोन है ये? Type of sesamoid bone. Correct, Roshan. Very good. Mohammad Harris, correct. Sesamoid bone. Derived from tendons. Derived from tendons. And it is the largest sesamoid bone. Largest sesamoid bone. Question number 188. How many matchings are correct with reference to cockroach? Ommatidia, hexagonal cockroach, mosaic vision, uricose gland excretion, spermatheca male cockroach. Question number 188. Yes, 188 is Spermatheca, this is present in female cockroach. 3 matchings are correct. Question number 189. Which two animals show convergent evolution? Which two animals will show convergent evolution? It is lemur and spotted cuscus. Lemur and spotted cuscus. Question number 190. The scala vestibuli, scala media, and scala tympani are filled with which fluid respectively? Scala vestibuli, बीच में scala media and scala tympani. Yes, correct. Perilymph, endolymph, and perilymph. Correct. Question number 191. Blood sucking leech is known as Pheretima ascaris, Hirudinaria nares. Yes, it is Hirudinaria. And blood sucking leeches, monoecious or dioecious, hermaphrodite or unisexual. Yes, correct. Monoecious, bisexual, hermaphrodite. Question number 192. Pneumotaxic center, which can moderate the function of the respiratory rhythm, is present at pons region, hypothalamus, spinal cord, right cerebellum. वैक्सीन पर आ सकता है क्वेश्चन जुबी. Yes, it is pons region of brain. Pneumotaxic center, correct. Question number 193. Which one of the following is incorrect match? A monotelic aquatic insect, ureotelic frog, uricotelic cockroach, ureotelic birds. इस सेशन के बाद we are going to cover important questions from coronavirus as well as diseases. Important diseases we are going to cover. At 10:30 a.m. that session will start. Yes, it is birds. Uricotelic. Birds are uricotelic. Birds. Question number 194. Identify whether the given conditions are anabolic और कैटाबॉलिक. तो ग्लूकोज का ब्रेकडाउन होगा लैक्टिक एसिड के फॉर्मेशन में. अमाइनो एसिड में पेप्टाइड चेन्स के थ्रू प्रोटीन्स का फॉर्मेशन होगा, सिंथेसिस. तो फर्स्ट इज कैटाबॉलिक एंड सेकंड इज एनाबॉलिक. 194. Yes, it is third. First is catabolic, second is anabolic. Question number 195. The graveyards of erythrocyte is lymph nodes, spleen, Peyer's patches, tonsils. Welcome, universe. The graveyard of erythrocyte is, yes, it is spleen. Correct. Question number 196. The seminal plasma along with sperm constitute the semen, hymen, acrosome, and drum. The seminal plasma. Yes. Question number 197. Contraceptive pills act by the oral contraceptive pill, OCP. O will inhibit ovulation. O say ovulation. Inhibit ovulation. Make the cervical mucus thick. Thickening of cervical mucus. And P. P is for prevent implantation. तो इसका मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन हो गया OCP का. पिल्स का एक्शन, तो यहाँ पर ऑल। 197 is 4. Question number 198. SMAC acts on body as a immunomodulator, depressant, antidepressant, bronchodilator. Question number 198. Yes, it is depressant. Correct. Question number 199. Besides CAMP, which one of the following molecule acts as second messenger? So CAMP, inositol triphosphate, calcium, CGMP, they all act as secondary messengers. 199 is third. Yes. And last question, question number 200. Elution step involves which of the following from the given here? Gel electrophoresis, cutting out of the DNA bands from agarose gel, extraction of DNA from gel piece, both 2 and 3. Yes, it is fourth. Correct. So thank you all of you. Thank you for being with me. We will be meeting again at 10:30 a.m. See you again at 10:30 a.m. Thank you, Pradeep, Neha. Thank you, Komal Sarod. Thank you. Universe, welcome Komal Sarod, Anshuman, Abrar, Anshi, Pradeep Yadav, Roshan, Ravi Prakash, Shubhi, Surabhi, Manoj Rana, Neha Gupta. Yes, bye. Take care, all of you. Ajay Vishwas, Sunny. Yes, NEET preparation. Welcome. Bye, all of you. Take care. Have a great day.